Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis of uranium. And uranium, killing it. Killing it! They're attributing the move to this 3 or 4 billion, whatever, of enriched uranium from the United States. I don't know. I see it across the board. It's baked into the cake anyway in terms of the charts because we're starting to come up already. We were just waiting for the buyers to show up, and guess what? They came knocking on the door, guys, and blew that door open. So let's dive in here. I'll give you my financial opinion. Future prices are up. They're around 50.45. I don't know what they were today. Sometimes this update's a little bit slower. Sprott Physical Uranium Trust getting a little bit of buying pressure here. Looks good. Looks good. And Uranium also getting buying pressure, laying down another fat bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing. It'll work its way higher. Will we get a bloody nose tomorrow? Maybe. I don't know. Remember, I don't trade the short term. I just get in there. I buy my shares cheap. You buy them on the downtrend break. You get them in this general vicinity. You throw this in. That's another spot to be looking, saying, hey, look, we're probably going to go higher here. And then you sit in it. You sit in it and you wait for your account to go way up. It's really difficult to sit there and just do nothing, right? And make a whole bunch of money. CCJ throwing in that fat candlestick, bullish engulfing, big volume. Yeah, the buyers showed up, guys. This is looking really good. I like it. Bannerman, little Banny, I should say big Banny now. This guy's getting bigger and bigger. Bullish here. We have a bullish piercing, and now a bullish engulfing. Those are all bullish signals to move higher. Little Govy or Big Govy, I know that Robert Friedland has a stake. I'm not making fun of Little Govy. It's just for fun, guys, okay? Don't get too butt hurt over some of these things that I say. It's just for fun, all right? Nice big move today in Goviax. We've got little, I almost want to say little in front of everybody, but Global Atomic, looking good. Looks almost like a bullish engulfing. We got one here and here. Let's hope that momentum can continue. Forces, holy... I didn't know it went up 22%. I was buying that all in here. Oh, man. Because of the fractals, there's the training session for the Platinum members on fractals and Fibonacci sequence and what I use to look at reading technical analysis. I'm going to throw some other ratio and market conditions in there, too, and some other things that I've noticed for technical analysis. That's Thursday, 5 p.m. if you're a Platinum member, but this is looking fantastic. Nice big move today. A little squeezy going on in the Forces, and we all hope that the Forces is with us. Moving on up today with Pierpoint, looking good. Deep Yellow getting a little bit of buying pressure. I'm sure people are saying, how come Deep Yellow is not up more? Well, guys, I don't know that answer. All right, like this is where you get it. You get it when it goes sideways. The momentum is sideways, and it's ready to go higher. Palladium or Paladin Energy, bullish engulfing, higher, looking good. Good old Paladin. Sky Harbor down a little bit. What the? How is this down? Well, it's a small company, all right? It's a little Explorer, but that was down today. Canalaska putting in a bullish piercing right on support, looking good. Next Gen Energy getting a nice fat bullish engulfing candlestick today. It'll work its way higher, I think. Looking at base load, who I hope hit the mother load. Big picture view, we're squeezing up, guys. We are squeezing up into this pattern, and when we break this thing, you better be in it before it is gonzo. So that's looking good for base load. Fission 3.0 down day to day. Maybe you could be a contrarian if you want and get into this one or something. Up to you. Fission, the OG, this is your bullish engulfing, the no sell-off back, pullback, and then we got a big buying pressure today. No one could have guessed that. Unless you're a Finding Value member on the website of a Platinum membership, because you know what to look for. Because that's on Prom moving sideways, looking good. Peninsula Energy getting some buying pressure here. Looks good to go higher with a bullish piercing pattern. We've got Boss Energy moving sideways, but looking good with a little bit of hammer. We've got Consolidated Uranium, bullish engulfing again, looking good. Lotus Resources going on up today. No pattern there, though. Uroy putting in the bullish engulfing. That looks good. Encore Energy getting lit today. A lot of buyers coming in right off support. There's your bullish engulfing that you should be buying on. You should have been buying there if you weren't. You went up a lot. This one went up a lot, 12.94%. Big update today, and it's a bullish engulfing. Looks good to go higher. URG, it does the same as UEC and UU. That one went up. UEC's up, looking good, bullish engulfing. I circled it too fast, I guess. LEU, broken down trend, put in the bullish engulfing, looks fantastic to go higher. If you're on the website and you guys got in when I was doing it, good job. That's what I'll say. LTBR, bullish engulfing, breaking the downtrend line. It's going to go launch mode soon. Up to you on what you want to do. ISO Energy launch mode. Broke through that resistance line I had, right? We drew that in yesterday. Said, hey, which way is this thing going to break? Well, it broke higher, guys. That's what happens. Appy Energy trading more like a rare earth metal. Again, I think their rare earths are worth the squeeze. DNN moving on higher, looking good. Blue Sky Uranium just moving sideways. Forum Energy Metals putting in a bullish hammer, probably going to go higher, looking good. AEC moving on up, looking fantastic. Laramide putting it in. There's your bullish engulfing, small down days. I said last video, I said this is going to probably work its way higher. There we go, working our way higher here. Western Uranium Vanadium. Whoa, that's a huge bullish engulfing. That's massive. Yeah, that's good. Looking good. UEXCF, big bullish engulfing, looking to go higher. Mega bullish engulfing of all the candlesticks before it. Gonna go higher. And again, guys, it doesn't mean next trading session will necessarily be higher. We could go down a day or two, or we could go higher again. But I'm just saying it looks good. Standard Uranium getting some buying pressure, looking good. Valor Metals putting in the biggest, that's a big bullish engulfing. That and Western Uranium Vanadium also put in a massive pattern there. Elevate, this one's delayed a little bit. This is the ASX at support, but it was up for ELVUF and down a little bit for a 92E. But looking fantastic, guys. The uranium sector looks really good. The buyers came in. They punched it. They punched the throttle here. It looks really good. My portfolio obviously likes days like this, but again, I'm a long-term investor. If we go down, I buy more. If we go up, I make more. I don't know. How about that? That's a quote. All right, I'm going to make that my quote. If it goes down, I buy more. If it goes up, I make more. Perfect. All right, guys. If you haven't joined the website, it's in the description link. Platinum membership. We got a cool training session coming Thursday. It's on fractals, Fibonacci sequences, some technical analysis. I'm going to tie some ratio stuff in there. That's what I do. Why? Because that's my risk-reward management. I also give some examples of how to set up maybe a portfolio allocation from an engineering standpoint. That's my standpoint. It doesn't really matter if I have financial background or not, as it's all statistics and that type based, and it's pretty easy to set this up. It doesn't take too much brain power. And if you guys want to see that, definitely join the Platinum membership. Join Thursday, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to record it. If you miss it and you still join, you can still see it. So that's what I've got. If you guys like the channel, definitely give me a thumbs up. Watch the videos. Comment below if you like. Do whatever you want. And have a good day. This is Finding Value.